Hello and welcome to Financial Beginners. Today I am back again with a new video on how to send invoice on Payoneer. So if you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. After that, in the search bar that is on the top of the web browser, you just have to type Payoneer. And after typing it successfully, you just need to click enter on your keyboard. And this will be shown. You just have to click on the official website of the Payoneer, and when you are there you just have to log in and this homepage will be shown to you. So in order to send invoice on Payoneer, you just have to go on the get paid option that is on the left hand side. Just click on the get paid option. After that there is a request payment option, just click on it, and there is a business profile. First you need to set up your business profile, so you just need to submit there, that is on the right side, the submit button. Just click on it and you just have to fill up all the things that has been asked by the Payoneer. After that you just have to click on the submit button and you can verify the information, and when your business things has been verified successfully, then you just have to enter the name or email of the person with whom you are asking to get paid. After that you will just enter the amount, and above the description you just need to add the description, why are you getting paid. After that you just have to click on the button that is shown in the screen and you can send the invoice successfully. So this is how you can send invoice on Payoneer successfully. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up. Thank you.